Installation of the moDrive telematics unit is a straightforward job that a suitably qualified technician should be able to complete in between 20 and 30 minutes on most vehicles. Each install is unique to the make of vehicle. This video highlights the general steps involved in fitment. Location of the unit and aerial will depend on the layout behind the dashboard, and location availability for optimum positioning of the GPS aerial to ensure good telemetry communications. The kit consists of 3 parts: the wiring loom, the GPS antenna, and the telematics unit itself, and the packaging should be labelled with the correct vehicle details. If not, the technician should refer to the support line. Complete the registration form fully before you install the unit, as you have to record the serial number and are unlikely to be able to see it after the unit is installed. For extra protection, the loom should be prepared with insulation tape. Some of the dashboard panels and underside covering must be removed for access to the interior of the dashboard for fitment. The existing OBD is unplugged from its housing to be used to plug in the moDrive wiring loom. The harness hooks into the vehicle systems via the existing OBD and provides a new OBD interface. It is important that the antenna is located in such a way to maximize reception. The upper side of the aerial must be positioned facing upwards to the sky and satellites overhead, and there must be no metal between the aerial and the underside of the dash. The aerial should not be visible and mounted at least 20 mm from any metal object. The upper side is identified by the GPS lettering on its face. Signals can be distorted by metal, so placing the aerial inside the dashboard and directly below the front windscreen is the best option. Avoid direct contact with other electrical systems or sources of ECU. The aerial is affixed with sticky pads and 2 plastic ties for total security. Attaching the harness and aerial to the telematics unit is a straightforward exercise. A minimal electric draw through the system will give an intermittent flashing power light on the unit once plugged in. The unit requires no special preparation work, other than identifying a suitable location for fixing it to the vehicle. Components are affixed with sticky pads and 2 plastic ties. Next, we need to secure the harness and make sure it doesn't come unplugged over the lifetime of the fitment. To do this, we use another plastic tie to lock the connectors together. We now start the vehicle to power up the telematics unit and enable it to automatically begin integration with the existing systems. This step can take up to 10 minutes. Completion is confirmed when all 4 lights come on fully. The telematics unit is then fixed under the dashboard in a similar fashion to the aerial, but orientation of the device is not important. Try to avoid attachment to installed components, since any subsequent service requirements of the vehicle may unintentionally compromise the work carried out here. A special cleaning wipe is provided for surface preparation. Allow surfaces to dry thoroughly before installing. If everything checks out, then the OBD is re-secured and panels replaced. The installation job is complete. Once the panels are completely refitted, you must return the registration form via fax or email to the number and address provided. Thanks for watching.